Hello guys, welcome to a new TA on Casper and also Bitcoin this time. Um, we're going to look what's going on in the markets. Um, One thing I want to say, it's been a while since I uploaded for a couple of reasons. I was deployed. You guys know I'm in the military. I was deployed and I didn't really have the time nor the internet to record, so I could only make like small TA like updates or something. So I'm sorry for that. But let's after that let's dive straight into it. Right now, what we can see is that a long trend from all the way back here, right? We can, I think, also take it from back here and then take it to the bodies, and we see, look, boom, 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 and we see that it for the first time has been broken here. That it that it's been broken, and if this one closes above it, guys, if this one doesn't go down, we are bullish. I'm bullish right now because when I saw this, I was pretty surprised actually because um, a lot of signs in the market told us that we were bearish, but then the false ETF news came out, and we got this huge wick, which has already been filled to my surprise. Um, let's see to another Bitcoin chart, Bitcoin USD. Yeah, see, already almost been filled. So, and the high was taken out as well. So let's see what we can do with this, right? On the weekly time frame, right? We see this huge head and shoulders, right? This. That's why in the in the long term, I think Bitcoin might go to 33K or 32, like right here, right? Because the right shoulder has to be higher than the left shoulder to be a official head and shoulders. So let's see where this takes us, right? Perfectly to the level where it's higher than the previous shoulder. Um, and we are expecting a drop, right? My team and I, we're expecting a drop for a long time. But when we're bullish at this point, we can be bullish till about 32.5K. Then the whole Fibonacci is completed. What we can see also then is a if this break this level, we can also see this. Boom, boom. If it breaks above here, then we can be even more bullish, but that's what if they want people to think, right? If you think about it, they don't want us to get rich. So what is going to happen is they are going to put all these false signs into the market and then they drop immediately, right? Um, so yeah, that's my take. Also, let's see this high to the low Fibonacci. All right, let's delete this one for clarity. All right, and take a new one, this high to this low. And we can see that this corresponds with the 20K mark, like I've said a lot recently. And at the 15K mark, guys, there is 200 billion of liquidations, right? Like right here. There's 200 billion US dollars of liquidations there. And then, like, maybe a scenario like this would be great. Boom, break above it. Actually, a big fake out, right? Then go down, 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 retest this level, then retest this level again, and boom. This is very likely, in my opinion. I do not think that BlackRock and the ETFs want us to go to like 45K because one, look at this resistance zone right here, right? And also, if you think about it, if you're a huge institution, right, do you want to buy in Bitcoin pretty expensive, or do you want to buy it in cheap, right? So I think, in my opinion, BlackRock bought here in this consolidation zone right here at 15 to 16K. They bought here, they bought everything here, and they were selling, selling, selling. Then they bought a bit more, selling, 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 because these candles can never be made by the retail, right? Retail investor, right? Um, Boom, accumulation, accumulation, accumulation. Boom, we'll go up again, right? Like they want us to think that we're like going to be ultra bullish, right? because something happened that hasn't happened for a long time, and that is this, right? An ascending triangle, right? So now if this ascending triangle breaks, right, I'm gonna be even more long on Casper because look at this. Okay, this is my position right now. Not really stop loss with this. I'm longing. So I'm longing until like this level. Actually, I set profits at this and this level, like the 100 and the 200, and then I deleted them because I was like, hmm, it was actually stupid because if I let it go, then I made like way more money and I could have bought in way lower again. So, but that was my mistake. So yeah, see, I make mistakes too, but we'll learn from it. So now, what is going to happen now, right? This has been a tough time for Casper, guys. I mean, everyone was broken on crypto Twitter, right? I mean, you could feel the vibes as well. Everyone was like broken, broken, broken. Um, and then this happens, right? So if we take it to the bodies right here, if we connect it to the bodies, look at this. It broke above the bodies. What does this mean? Well, if we go back and we see that something closes above the trend line, then we get a little bullish push, right? But Casper does this, right? It does this with these liquidity grabs, right? So I'm bullish until this level, right? If we break above that level, maybe I'll stay in, but otherwise I will just sell because it. I mean, on an investor's standpoint, I mean this is a very good level to buy, right? Like you're not really gonna see better prices, right? But if Casper goes lower to like the 1.8 cents, like I predicted, or the projected, or the 2.5 cents, like I projected, because look at this, how this corresponds with the 2.5 soon, very soon, 15th of November. Um, I see that happening still because they don't want people rich, right? They don't want people to make money, right? So that's something you have to keep in mind as well. Um, so let's delete this one. I think we might see this something in this scenario. If we break above, right, we might see a couple, no, not like that. We might see this huge fake out on a daily head and shoulders, and boom, right? To retest this level, boom, retest this, because as we have seen, this level has been keeping up very strongly. Look how perfect, almost perfectly this was. I should have seen this coming, right? Because it was tapping into this, bodies closed at the exact same level, and then we get a push, right? It's almost always like this. It was like this as well here. And if you get these little signals on Casper like this was fake, guys. I told you this a long time. But yeah, all right. So let's keep a bit focused. My head's taking me different places right now. So let's say that this can happen. Um, we get a huge sell-off again, like we had here. Boom, 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 boom. Right. Um, still in the games, guys. I'm a realist. I don't care about the feelings of how you feel on what you think Casper is going to do. If you don't analyze the market every day, and if you don't put in the work, just don't do it because don't make predictions if you don't know what the market is telling you. If you don't know what the American government is telling you, the SEC, the Fed, stuff like that, FOMC meetings, right? Just stay off of the market, but find yourself a good teacher because if you have a good teacher, um, things will come way more rapidly than you think. Your skills will develop and stuff like that. But that aside, I think we might see something like this. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Maybe a fake out above this strong resistance level right here. this here, boom, fake out, drop, and then retest like this, and then going down again like this, 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 breaking under, retest bomb. Something like this seems very reasonable. If it's not a fake out and we go like this up, we break, we retest right here, we go up, that's possible too. But then I have to, then the wicks, then the wicks, no, then the bodies have to be very obvious. So I'm not really hoping for that right now, because I'm still bearish in the micro actually. So if you look at this, it's pretty bearish. Yeah, so I think 2.5 is not that far away. I mean, people told me that we were not going to go to 3 cents. We were when we were at 4, not going to 3.5, or when we were at 3.8, something like that. So yeah, I mean, let's see what the market does, and see you next time. See you soon, and stay safe in the weekend. Stay safe in the market, and do your own research, not financial advice. I love you guys so much. God bless you. Bye.